that this is a champion team and they played like champions right from the beginning. You must have seen the matches, the way they demolished the opposition. This is a salute to the team, and they really played as a team, that brotherhood, that spirit was there, and this talent was always there in Jharkhand. We always hope that we will be number one in our country in domestic cricket, but now we have got a stamp now that we are champions. And many more youngsters, because you can see so many youngsters have come to receive the team. And so many youngsters, they are calling up from other districts also. They want to come, they want to meet them. So this is because generally this kind of euphoria, this kind of feeling is there for the national team when big celebrities come. But for domestic cricket, this kind of this is very motivating for the younger players. And I think Jharkhand from here is going upwards, will be number one in all formats. This is what we pray and this is what we wish also.
Sir, the BCCI selection committee is scheduled to meet on Saturday. They'll be announcing the spot for the T20 World Cup also. Do you think players from Jharkhand, particularly if the case of Ishan Kishan is taken, the way he has performed, it's a gentle reminder to everyone
that is not a gentle reminder. That is, बिल्कुल एक आप कह सकते हैं कि पूरे देश ने देखा. मतलब I would like to say, like we always, as a cricket lover, we always thought he should have been in the team. He has always performed, but this is sad that he was not there. But at this moment, we all feel that he has a place there. And Kumar Kushagra also, the way he played in the finals, the way he performed. Like you see the Jharkhand team, there are 5-6 of them. Anukul Roy has really performed. And Sushant Mishra, the kind of bowling he did. And Anukul Roy also, and they have been performing from last 7-8 years, they have been performing like this. Yeah, but we are champions now, so the whole country has taken notice of them now. And I'm sure that Ishan Kishan is going to be in the team.
As a JSCA president, the man who is after everything, you must be a content man seeing the players bagging lucrative IPL contracts also.
Yeah.
Players have managed to get contracts in the IPL.
Actually, we always, hope that our players get a chance in the IPL, because not only financially, but, that's a big thing now. IPL is world's biggest franchisee event. And someone like, Amit also got into a team. He's a spinner. And I really hope that after this T20 win, when the next auction happens, more of our players will, the IPL teams will have more focus on Jharkhand players also.
Sir, one last query to you. A cash award has been also announced?
Yeah, 2 crores from JSCA.
And you'll be meeting the Chief Minister also. What are the plans for?
Yeah, we want to go and meet. We have asked for time. Obviously, this is a matter of pride for whole Jharkhand. And our Honorable Chief Minister, Hemant Sorenji, he's a cricket fan, and you must have seen he immediately tweeted also, and he's very happy the kind of performance our team had, and we have asked for time from the CM's office, and the team would like to go and meet him.